Do you know there are magic words in English? Words that open hearts, bring smiles, and show kindness. Let's learn them together. Say hello when you meet someone new. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello. When you wake up and see the sun, say, good morning. Let's try it. Good morning. When you ask for something, don't forget the magic word, please. When someone helps you, you say, thank you. Let's say it nice and clear. Thank you. When someone says thank you, you say, you're welcome. Uh-oh, accidents happen. But when we say sorry, we show we care. Sometimes when someone says sorry, we can smile and say, it's okay. That's how we show kindness too. And when it's time to leave, you say, goodbye, wave your hand and smile, goodbye.
Great job, little learners! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Bright Little Minds for more fun learning.